The one actually song that I can never learn how to sing is the one that goes like Apangeo pinamina mari kere lupangori kwara buena mera mera Apangeo mina mari kere lupangori kwara buena mera mera buena mera mera buena mera mera lupangori kwara buena mera mera buena mera mera buena mera mera lupangori kwara buena mera mera Apangeo pinamina mari kere lupangori kwara mera mera. Maybe somebody can teach it to me. I don't know. Alright, you tell me if this is correct in Acoli. Amiero chamodek. Amiero chamodek miet. I'm trying to say I want to eat food. I want to eat nice food.
This must say right here, that's actually my dad, and he's about to show us the ministry land. On the left hand side you can see there's a beautiful forest with tall trees. These tall trees are creating a beautiful shade for the ministry land, and if you were to come here to this place to visit us, you will know how cool it can be in the afternoon. Well, I want to show you a little bit of what we're doing here in Uganda, so you don't think, what is this Muzungu doing here? Well, we're coming into the land now. I'm going to show you a little bit of the property. That's Jacob right there. Now, as we're coming in, you can see there's a long drive-through as we go into the back of the land. On the right-hand side, there's a pillar tree. If you don't know what a pillar tree, you can go to a village and you'll figure it out pretty quick as soon as you need a bathroom. Now, my dad is about to park the car, and as he's coming outside, he realizes, hey, I forgot the keys. Now, without the keys, we can't do pretty much any work. So I'm gonna come outside, and I'm gonna look at myself in the camera and say, ooh, how pretty. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to film there because you can see we are digging, and right there is where we're gonna plant today. At the back, we have some maize, and we got some pumpkin. And then also, yes, right there, you can see there's some bricks. We lay bricks also because they help us to build the buildings that we have around here and the things that we're planning to do in the future. There's really a lot of work that God put in our hearts to do for Uganda, so stay tuned for more.